Apart from being known for its mesmerizing beauty, the Valley of Kashmir is also famous for its high-quality saffron, a spice derived from the crocus flower. Over the years, the world's most expensive spice has been seeing a decline due to several factors. And now, due to COVID-19, the market demand has fallen. WION's Ishan Mani travelled to Pampore town near Srinagar to meet these saffron farmers. Here's a special report.
The vast fields have turned in a purple canvas and people are busy picking the crocus flower with the first sunrise. The business remains a family affair as thousands of them gather to pick saffron threads by hand at the break of dawn. The purple blossom marks the arrival of winter in Kashmir. Around the 1st century BC, immigrants from Central Asia are believed to have introduced saffron cultivation to Kashmir, and since then it has grown exponentially. Although the spice is grown commercially and on scale in Spain, Iran and India, the produce from the valley is considered the best in the world with high price value. In the last few years, the saffron crop has seen a decline in production caused by several factors including erratic rainfall, which experts link to global warming.
Global warming, मौसम की तब्दीली.
Global warming is a big factor. Rain doesn't fall on time. Government had installed tube wells, but irrigation doesn't happen on time either. We want the government to do something about this.
According to data available, the production of Kashmiri saffron has declined by 65% over 22 years, and to save these farmers, government has come to their rescue by issuing the certificate of geographical indication. This will make Kashmiri saffron stand out from the cheaper Iranian variety, which currently captures 90% of the world market. To produce just 1 kilogram of spice, around 150,000 flowers must be picked one by one, which is an enormously daunting task. Kashmir saffron is used in health products and cosmetics and forms an integral part of the traditional Kashmiri dishes. The local produce is high in aroma with natural deep red color and long thick stigma. The industry in Kashmir employs around 120,000 people from around 226 villages and helps boost rural economy.
The saffron farmers of Kashmir Valley are facing multiple problems due to COVID-19 pandemic. The demand from the market has declined. At the same time, the global warming issue gets impact on a fertile land like Pampore, where saffron is cultivated over hectares of land. But due to the irregular rainfall, the production has declined. At the same time, the shrinking of land, which means people are moving to other farming and productions and are saying goodbye to the saffron farming. But the government has given them GI tag this year, which has raised the importance of Kashmiri saffron in the export market, which otherwise would lose its battle to the Iranian saffron, which captures around 90% of the world market. With campus on Feroz in Srinagar, Ishan Mani for WION World is One.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.